Hi guys, for today we're going to bake banana bread. So we got in here 1/2 cup of castor sugar. We got there 5 bananas, so that's medium size, and 2 cups of flour, sifted, 110 grams of butter that is salted that I'm using. So I'm not going to add additional 1 teaspoon of salt in there later on. So we got here hazelnuts chopped and sliced almonds. So these two guys for the nuts, if you're not into nuts or if you're allergic to nuts, you can omit that, of course. We got here 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 2 eggs, vanilla, supposed to be a teaspoon, however I only got this much left, so well, that would do. And we also got here buttermilk. So with the buttermilk I actually combined this because I don't have buttermilk at home, so I combined 1/2 cup of soya milk and the juice of uh, half of a lemon. Yeah, so there you go guys. So before this, of course, we have to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. Yeah, so now I just put the sifted flour and bicarbonate of soda in here, mix them well together. So actually it's supposed to be there's 1 teaspoon of salt in this, but since we are using salted butter, we're not going to do that. We're not going to put salt, so I'm just mixing it like that together. Yeah, so the first thing that we're going to do is, of course, put together the softened butter and the sugar and mix it until it becomes soft and fluffy. And yeah, so there you go. Our butter and sugar is already soft and fluffy. So now we're going to mash our bananas. So now we're going to add our liquid ingredients. So this is the buttermilk, vanilla, and our 2 eggs. And once again, we're going to mix that together. We're actually also going to add the bananas in there before we're going to mix it. We can actually mix it by our spatula alone or also the mixer. Yeah, we're going to mix it first. Yeah, so since it is already thoroughly mixed, what we're going to do is we're going to add the dry ingredients. So just put it halfway first, half of our flour and baking our bicarbonate of soda mixture and fold it. So now the first half is thoroughly folded, and now we're going to put the rest. So, and of course we're also going to add our hazelnuts. So as what I mentioned, for those who are allergic to nuts, you can omit this. Because I love nuts. Yeah. There you go. Just fold this again. And there they are, ready for baking. So we basically got 4. We preheated the oven for 180 degrees.